here. Our lips touch.
This is our OMG Hobo vlog dedicated to nature. Yeah, we're outside and it's so cool and warm out.
And sunny.
Yeah. Okay, well first we'd like to say thanks to everyone who's been watching it.
Our supporters.
Yeah, even though it's 100 people, that's
Yeah.
pretty awesome. And it's
Everyone
mostly
really
even if you don't go to our school or something, thanks for watching anyway. Now you're our best friends. Yay!
Yeah. We appreciate it.
Yep. And yeah,
We just need a lot more ideas. We only have 2 or 3 right now, and we could use a few more.
yeah, so if you want to give us ideas, or if you have any ideas for a video, we'll probably do it, even if it's so crazy or so retarded.
We'll try to fit it in with our schedule.
Yeah, we don't even
We'll work
care.
it out.
But if you want to give us one, go to www.omghobo.pixo.com. Check it out. She did it. And, well, she does the Pixo, I do the YouTube, we're computer nerds. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah! Rock on!
Woo!
Yeah.
Ow, my nostrils.
Okay, drum roll please. Ow. Okay, now it is our hobo of the week. Yeah, and this week is Kirsten Dunst. Okay, yeah, well we saw her in Hollywood and we were like, oh my god, what a hobo. And then we were like, oh, hobo, dude, we should put that on a video. And this other girl next to her, we have no clue who it is, but she started sniffing Kirsten Dunst. I don't know why, but she looked really weird. But congratulations, Kirsten Dunst. You are the hobo of the week. Congrats. Okay, so now it's our song of the week. And since this video is dedicated to nature, yeah, we're gonna act like bunnies in
Our
this.
lips
We even
music.
saw one, it was hilarious. Okay, so, song is Here in Your Arms by Hello Goodbye. No, we're not leaving. Okay. Don't wanna leave. Okay, so, you know it, we show it, watch us work it, like bunnies. Okay.
Well, since this vlog is dedicated to nature,
You're outside.
the obvious, thank you. Well, we're gonna go run around the yard. And if you didn't believe,
next to me. Alright. Sleep.
Yeah. And we're gonna jump off and have someone's trying to break our ankle. Ready, Katie? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, jump. Yay! This kingdom. This tickle. Keep going. So, this is our.
oh wait, you're in my chair, you fool.
Hobo.
I'm not a hobo.
You are so hobo.
Okay,
So, this is our OMG
hobo
vlog
dedicated
to
nature.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
Keep giving us ideas.
Yeah, and don't forget,
Thanks.
nature is love. Love is nature.
Yeah, we love nature and nature.
Our lips touch. And our cheeks can brush.
The room falls back in my chair or something. Okay,
Yeah, I'm gonna